A full range of Porsche-approved oils are available for older air-cooled models as well as Boxster, Cayman, 911 and other newer water-cooled models. The most common oil for Porsche engines is the A40 oil specification. Porsche recommends this oil both for older air-cooled and newer water-cooled Porsche engines. Typical viscosities for A40 Porsche oils include 0W40, 5W40, and 5W50, with 5W40 being the optimal viscosity for most climates and operating conditions. Porsche has introduced C20 and C30 oils with reduced viscosities beneficial for increasing fuel economy in Macan, Panamera, and Cayenne models, where the newest sports car models call for a Porsche C40. These Porsche oils are all formulated to prevent low-speed pre-ignition, more commonly known as LSPI, while also protecting emissions control devices. Porsche A40 oils should not be used where a C20, C30, or C40 oil is recommended, and likewise, C40 oils are not designed to be backwards compatible with A40 oils. The choice of oil for your Porsche is just as important as how often you change that oil. For most owners, the factory oil change interval is not ideal. For lack of a published severe service interval, most Porsche experts recommend an oil change interval of 6 months or 5,000 miles, whichever comes first. Porsche vehicles driven regularly in cold climates or short distances may benefit from even shorter oil change intervals. While your Porsche is under warranty, it's best to use a factory-approved oil, but after the warranty period is up, there are much better oils available for your Porsche engine. Porsche offers classic oils for older models, which advertise additional protection over A40 oils. However, for most, choosing which oil is best for their Porsche can be a daunting task. Used oil analysis is a great tool not only to determine the health of your Porsche engine but also to evaluate how well the engine oil is performing in your engine based on your driving and maintenance habits. Through years of real-world testing and customer feedback based on used oil analysis from their Porsche engines, we have determined that driven racing oils provide the best protection for Porsche engines. Don't believe us? Hop onto the Rentless Porsche forums to see countless used oil analysis results showing how the oils from driven outperform factory-approved oils, regardless of brand. By design, factory Porsche-approved oils have to follow the same recipe required to meet that specification. That's why when looking for what oil is best for your Porsche engine, using a factory-approved oil might not be your best choice. For air-cooled Porsche models, driven DT50 provides optimal protection. Likewise, driven DT40 should be used anywhere the Porsche A40 oil specification is recommended. Driven's DT40 and DT50 oils are formulated with higher levels of anti-wear additives and friction modifiers that are not found in any Porsche spec oil. For the newest Porsche models calling for AC40 oil, driven DI40 provides similar LSPI and emission system protection but with improved viscosity retention needed for direct injected engines. Driven DI20 and DI30 can be used in place of C20 and C30 oils. By design, all of the aforementioned driven oils contain significantly higher levels of molybdenum than what is allowed in any factory Porsche-approved oils. Moly not only reduces friction and wear, but is also critical to protect against cylinder bore scoring common to Porsche engines with Alusil and Locasil engine blocks. Lastly, for those who track their Porsche, for optimal protection, a true race oil should be used. Driven XP9 can be used where an A40 or C40 oil is required, and likewise, driven XP6 can be used in air-cooled Porsche engines or where a 15W50 viscosity is required. Race oils have lower levels of detergents and dispersants as well as higher levels of anti-wear and friction modifier additives, all of which is beneficial to protecting critical engine components. The best engine oil for your Porsche might not be the same oil it originally shipped with, and recommendations made by the factory, however satisfactory, can often be improved upon. Again, don't just take our word for it. Carrying out used oil analysis is an easy and inexpensive way to know for sure what oil is best for your Porsche engine. LN Engineering recommends driven racing oils and speed diagnostics to all of its Porsche clients as well as to owners of any classic cars, those with performance engines.
Call or visit lnengineering.com to learn more.